Hello and welcome to Grow CFO's course on planning, budgeting and forecasting. In the previous course on business partnering, we looked at how you get involved in business strategy. Well, this course takes up where that left off and goes into more detail on how to build a strategic plan. It looks at the various tools that you might need to use to help the business build a plan. And then we go on to show you how to develop a budget that's based on your strategic plan. We look at how to set budget assumptions, how to construct the timetable, how to evaluate the submissions that other members of the business give you to the budget. And then finally we look at how you then put the budget together and monitor it as it goes on. Part of that budgeting process will probably require you to invest in certain capital projects. So we're going to talk about how you decide on what to fund and what not to fund. And we're going to look at how you should build a business case to justify an investment. Now, quite often, members of the business will come to the finance team and look for help in doing that. So we're giving you a set of tools to help build a really successful business case. There are many different ways of budgeting and forecasting. Traditional budgeting has a problem that it will set the budget at the beginning of the year based on some assumptions. And as the year goes on, the budget gets more and more out of date. There are other ways of doing things. You may instead move to operating a rolling budget or a rolling forecast. This helps keep things up to date, and we're going to talk later in the course about how you do that. You might also want to set your budget from bottom up rather than from top down. And you may want to go into a lot of detail if you need to remove cost from the business, or because your strategy means a significant change in direction and you need to stop doing a lot of things. Zero-based budgeting gives you the means of challenging those budget lines and making sure that you only end up with the costs in the budget that are really relevant to delivering the new strategy. So there's a lot to get through across the course of planning, budgeting and forecasting. Hope you enjoy it.